Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, all my fans all over the world. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. Thank you very much for supporting your baby girl, Okikiola. Thank you very much. Okay, if today is your first time watching my program, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and if you feel like telling us any other thing that is happening in your house or your marriage, you can comment or you can contact me on Facebook by Monijesun Okikiola Ibukun. You can send me message there. Okay, our today program is about men. We want to talk about men generally, married men, single men, what really happened, what make some marriage scatters today, what make a lot of divorce happening today. But before saying that, as you all know, we always say this in broken English. Okay, let's come down to our language. We know ourselves. Okay, wetin make some marriage no dey date again? Wetin make am? Because of say, as I take think am, because a lot of marriage now, where husband and wife suppose be friends, make they suppose be brothers, and make them they see them say, I be this man, I think say no be him wife be this, so because they just be like best friend, they just be like, it be like saying at the same mama na bonding. Now so it suppose be. No be say wife go see husband, wife go dey shake, say our daddy go soon come, oh, time don dey reach, so dem go soon close for work. Why you go dey shake now? Wetin happen? My brother, wetin make you carry firewood for head now? You won't kill your wife? If na your sister, shey you go like am like that. If na your sister, na then they treat like that, say you go like am. E no good now. Mo call ourselves, mo tell ourselves wetin dey happen. Your wife supposed be your friend. Your wife supposed be person wey be say after your mama, after God, after your mama, na supposed be your best friend again. Your wife supposed be your advisor. Your wife supposed be your best friend. No be say you can't get one friend for outside, go tell you say mo will go club. You can't reach club now, go tell you say that girl not to say in yarn soft, she soft pass that woman wey you put for house. I bet test time, you no get wetin they do person. Your wife no fit know, but na self go come do am. If na your wife they cheat on you, shey you go like am. If na your wife na they cheat on you, shey you go like am. Because of that, then they mention and say, for our grandpapa do am, e no kill them. We self go do am. E dey kill person. If una no know, e dey kill person. Una don't see a lot of married men will be say they don't die on top of woman will be say they carry go hotel. Una won't go cheat. Wetin una get for house. Wetin una get for house. Una suppose use money build well. We be say if una see me una even dey office safe. Una dey office dey work, but all of una brain me suppose dey house. Say my beautiful wife is at home. My fine woman dey house. It just be like say make time quick reach, make I go house go miss my beautiful wife. Make them they ask you say boss, you know see that girl where they go for them. Tell and say I beg. It just be like my wife cheat. My wife 5%. But ona, if una don't see girl, we be say don't carry this thing. Wetin dey there now? Ora, una know wetin be ora. Mona go ask Yoruba people say wetin be ora. Na ora, na e dey there. Anything we make pikin don like 2 times, it don't finish. Woman go day. Some man they treat their wife because of say your wife don't tell you in past. Now so it's supposed to tell you in past. Normal, all relationship, before you get into relationship, you're supposed to let your husband know what happened to you in your past. So that man, if you can't hear them for outside, you know go can't use that thing against you. Because a lot of man, it be like say they push them inside that marriage. It be like say their parents force them make they go marry. So if they won't come divorce now, or they won't come begin they do up for outside, they'll can't use that and say, why you not tell me before I marry you? I can't go the year and for outside say, but this person don't sleep with you. I know that, but this person don't sleep with him before you know you. Not be, some people you said don't sleep with before you know your wife. So far say no be say when she did your house, now she do am. She don't do am before she know you now. Why be say you can't use that thing against them? Maybe that woman do am because of say she need help that time. Why you no fly come that time come help am? You can't dey use him past against am. You can't dey beat am. Your wife can't be like shit for your eye. Now waiting dey this life sef. I bet that woman who you can't go dey meet for outside now. That girl wey get busty, wey get yansh where you can't go dey meet for outside. Waiting you take know say that girl she don't spoil herself before for one city before she can't come the other city where you for no one. Waiting make you dey assure say she never do that kind of thing. I bet tell me your wife was supposed to be like gold, was supposed to be like diamond for your eye. Your wife will be say you go just may just sit down one day, may just the reason may call and say, ah, baby, honey, please come. I think we are going out tomorrow. I wish to go and do you some shopping. You can't put your wife for inside house, say like your house can't be like cage, it can't be like prison. Some man go they treat if some woman called their wife say, ah, honey, I want to discuss with. I beg go outside. I don't get chance because of waiting, because of that thing where they do for outside, because of that thing where they do for outside. Now you disvirgin the girl. Now you disvirgin her. You say you no meet your wife for virgin. I beg. You know how many guests where you said where you don't disvirgin. No be another man go carry them put for house. You come because of that. You can't dey maltreat your wife. My brother, if you no change, now God go maltreat you. You need to change. You need to change. Your wife supposed to be like gold. Your wife supposed to be waiting you go dey proud of. Some man self, they'll come because of waiting their wife don't do for past. They'll come they maltreat their children. Now the pikin na offend you. The woman self no offend you because he don't do waiting you do before you know you. And you can't still get good mind. You can't explain, give you say, babe, in so year before I met you, there is something happened that year. I have a little issue and there's nobody to help me. Then I have no option to do that thing. So if you are a reasonable man, you're supposed to say, ah, babe, that thing don't pass. Past tense na past tense. Everybody gets in own past. Everybody gets in own past. Not because of say your wife can't tell you in past, you can't dey maltreat her. Some man no fit carry their wife out. If they won't go out, they no fit let their wife follow them. Because of what? Money where you supposed to take care of your wife. May you go out, may you buy fine bob shorts for your wife. Some man don't even trust their wife because of waiting they do for outside, because of say they fuck another married woman. They use that eye till they look their wife for inside, say na so their wife till they do am. My brother, I no get any advice for now. If you not like more, na change. If you not like more, na no change. Now from this heaven, now we go stop today. Now we go start. Now from this life, now we go start the judgment before we go reach heaven. God go start the judgment for this life. That's why I get and reach you. I beg. Ogiki don't say in home today again. If you not like Mona, yeah. If you not like Mona, no yeah. But I beg some of una will be so now the year advice. I beg Mona change. Mona take care of una wife. If una start to take care of una wife, una go say una wife. You find past waiting una expect self. You find past all those rubbish people una they carry for outside.